Hi everyone, welcome to another video of us actually painting in this beautiful kawaii unicorn. So if you want to go ahead and follow along, you need this book or you need this image. I'm going to leave it in the comment section below, or I'm going to leave it in the description of this video, where you could go ahead and grab this image in a coloring book that is actually available on amazon.com. So what is going to go ahead and happen now that I have it in Procreate? I have a video about getting your images in Procreate so you can actually color it on your iPad, and I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description below as well, so you can get that. But let's go ahead and prepare our image. So we're going to go ahead and tap on this image, and we're going to call it reference, and we're going to go ahead and add another layer, a layer that we're going to rename color. So on the color layer is where we are. We're going to go ahead and start picking our colors, and I'm gonna go for the for this bluish color here for the hair, and I'm gonna bring the same color over here, and I'm gonna go for the pink, of course, the beautiful bright pink, and I'm gonna go in here like that for her hair as well. I'm gonna go for the bluish color. No, let me go for the gold for her unicorn horn, and I'm gonna go for a lighter blue, this color right here for the straw. I'm gonna go for a darker color for the inner part of the straw, and now I need a color for her skin and a color for the ice cream. So I'm gonna make the ice cream chocolate. Let me make the ice cream chocolate. So I'm gonna go for a dark brownish color to emulate a little bit of the chocolate. Let me see what that looks like. That actually looks pretty good, but it's too dark, so I'm gonna bring it up a little bit. That's a little bit still too dark. I want bright colors. Yeah, I want that. That looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and add her skin color now, her skin tone. And from her skin tone, I'll show you a trick that I actually use to put highlights and dark shadows, so I can make it look even more cute. So for her skin tone, we're gonna go with a bright color. That is not very good. Let me try this other one. Yeah, that's pretty good. And that's gonna go even here in her hands. I need red. I need a fiery red for the hearts, for the sprinkles over here on the ice cream, and for her tongue. So that looks good. We already have the color flats in there. Now the next thing that we're gonna have to do is we're gonna go ahead and put the highlights and shadows. And this one, I figured out a new method that I didn't use in this other video that I posted. So this one you can follow along. It's gonna be so easy, guys. Let me show you how we do it. So we're gonna go in here, pick up the color. We need a brighter part of it. So for the that's very big. Our brush is very big. First of all, let's go on this layer, and we're going to alpha lock it so we can only paint inside the we can only paint inside the color that is already on the paper. So we're gonna go over there and put the light part. Yeah, that looks cute. I'm gonna put my brush down a little bit to be smaller. Yeah, like that. I like that already. Oops, I like that already. And let me do the same thing for the straw here. And I'm gonna now need the pink one, the pink color. Make it bright, and I'm gonna go on this side. So you can choose only one side to put the highlights and the other opposite side to put the shadows. So now we're putting the highlights first. We're putting the highlights first, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the shadows after this. And I'm gonna show you how to blend it so it all just blurs in and looks all good at the same time. So What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and mark them in first, everything, and then we can go ahead and make all of them blend in at the same time. This time we're not gonna use the blending tool. I'm gonna show you another trick that I learned that you can use to blend everything after marking it in. So you mark in the shadows first. We marked in the highlights first. Now we're marking a little bit of the shadows there. And afterwards, I'm going to show you how you can blend everything together to make it look good. We're going to go ahead and pick the blue color, make it a little darker to go on this other side. That's enough. Just a tiny bit sometimes is enough. You don't have to put way too much in there. We're going to go in here as well in the straw. And it's so easy, guys, if you're following along. In only a little bit of it, in only about 5 minutes, you're going to be done with painting the whole unicorn. So this one, I need the brush to be a lot big, so I'm going to make it bigger. Yeah, like that. It's a good size. That's a very good size. And I'm going to do a little bit on her eye here as well, and in her nose, and under her hair, right there, on her hands or paws, on her hands. I'm gonna do it in the ice cream as well, so let me go ahead and pick up a few colors there, make it brighter. Make bright blobs in there and dark blobs. That looks pretty good. Now we're gonna make a few darker blobs in there just to give it a little bit of dynamic, to make it look even more beautiful, and to make our drawing not look very flat. Again, if you don't have this book yet, you can go ahead and actually get it from Amazon. It's less than $10, and you could get more than 50 images in this book. So now that we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and tap on the wand tool, and we're going to go Gaussian blur, and we're going to blur it in a little bit. That's 1%, that's 4%, that's 7%. So that gives it a look that is actually cute. It gives it kind of this neon look, kind of look that I actually do like. I actually do like that one. So it makes it blurry a little bit, but it makes it look so cute. Sometimes you don't have to use this. You don't have to use this smudge tool to make your colors flow when you use that. And there we go. I'm retouching a little bit on it with the smudge tool, just to make sure that they're not very pronounced, and to make it look a lot more natural and even more cute. A little bit in the hair. So after this, now one thing is going to be left, and that's going to be the cone of this ice cream Kawaii Unicorn. And that looks pretty good to me. So now let's go ahead and color in the let me go in here, grab a white color and color in right here on her horn to make it look shiny. Make it look a lot more shiny and realistic. Like that. Yeah, now I'm gonna create another layer on top of that one, but I still have the first layer as a reference, and I'm going to go ahead and make a cone with this pinkish color. Woo! That's not very good. I'm gonna go back to this layer and I'm going to fill it in here, and you can see the cone just creates itself in a very brilliant manner. I can actually change its color and make it a chocolate one. That's even better. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked. If you liked this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and check out the description below for the link to get this book. It's available on Amazon for less than $10 and you get more than 50 images, all Kawaii Unicorn images in this book. I hope you guys like it, and let a grown-up check it out so you guys can get a copy of this book on Amazon.com. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.